Man, look what I stumbled upon. Yes, sir. 1996 Honda Cbr 900 RR. Old school, son. Old school. Damn, I'm tripping on all kind of stuff. What we're gonna do is restore this like a dent in the tank. Rust on top. We're gonna restore this 900 RR 96 to the 900 RR 96 red, black with the white tail. Was it Orion or Aryan edition? You guys know what I'm talking about, if you know anything about these old school ones. But yeah, man, we got some wire on the back tire somewhere. Bad news, man. We can get all that fixed. We're gonna polish the rims and frame and swing arm and paint it black and put the new decals on it, just like Honda did in 96. Ready to go, man. Ready to go. Yeah, sir. Old 96 now. Chopping it down. Y'all remember the days. Uh-huh. Two brothers. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Follow me. Follow along with me. And let's restore this 96 Honda Cbr 900 RR. All right, peace.